Subject code 18 CS2015 Object Oriented Programming Lab Experiment number 6 Abstract Class and Interface. In this video, we are going to see how interface concept can be implemented in Java programming language. So here is a basic program which is like just like a student portal where the student is prompted to, where the student is given all these options like to calculate his academic credit, to register any subject, to assign a faculty for the respective subject, and this is for student academics. Uh, on the side, when it comes to non-academics part of a student, these are the methods. These are the options he has: calculate non-academic credit, or to register any club under non-academics area. So uh, after that, so we need to declare all these methods. Just to declare them. Do not write any implementation part in inside these interfaces. So first we have to create an interface called academics with all the required methods for academics of a student. So after that we have another interface saying non-academics, which have methods that are of non-academic requirement of a student. So after that we have an abstract class codes, which is to uh, read the assign all the name and roll number of students using the constructors. We use this abstract class codes, and also we have an array list for subjects, faculty, and club. This is available in the util package of Java util package. Since we have imported this above, we can use this array list. We are creating an object for this array list. uh, this is the reference of our object subject list, and the next one is faculty list and the club list. So these lists can be added with any kind of data. So these three are lists, and after that we have in integer type data, that is credits and non-academic credits, which have to be calculated. So after that we are using a scanner object here in this abstract class. This is the data member which can be shared among the child classes which inherit this course. So all these are these data members of this course class, and also we have a default constructor, and we have name, register number, and non-academic club name as standard string data type, and we are using this parameterized constructor with two variables to initialize a name and register number. Each time when we create an object for this child class, this superclass constructor will be invoked, and his name and register number will be initialized automatically. And after that we have a student. We have two kinds of students here, which student one extends course and implements academics. Means academics, a student related to academics, and students non-academics part also. So here we can see student 2 extends course and implements non-academics. So first we'll see this first student, that is academics part of a student. So his name and register number will be passed when we create an object for this child class, and those values will be passed to this superclass constructor using this super keyword. And after that we are implementing the methods which we have declared in the interface above, academics interface above. So one of those methods is calculate uh, academic credit. So for example, 3 credits for, if we assume 3 credits for subject, for any subject, so that many credits will be given to the student. So that's the logic, 3 into number of subjects. So we are passing a parameter to this method, number of subjects. We are multiplying it with 3, and that will be stored in credits, and after that register subject. So before that we have to take the number of subjects to be registered, and we are using a loop, and so that we will be adding that subject to this subjects list which I have shown above each time in each iteration. That's it about register subject. And after that we are same logic we are using for assign faculty also. If subjects list size 0, that means if there is any, if there is no subject registered so far, so there is no need of faculty, right? So that's subject list size 0, then no subjects registered for faculty selection. Otherwise, if there are any subjects, then we can ask the student to register faculty for that particular subject. So here is a loop, uh, and each time we are asking user to enter faculty name for the subject. So subject list dot get of j, that means the uh, 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 j means this is the index, right? So subject list dot get of j means subject list, the first uh, uh, I mean the first data will be displayed here. First data using this index operator, that is J, and in each iteration will be asked enter faculty name for the subject 1, subject 2, like that. And each time when the student enters any faculty name, that name will be added to faculty list. That's it. That's it about assign faculty. Now in each student, for each student there is a display function which just prints the name, register number entered by the student, and subject registered by the student, and faculty assigned for each subject. That is done by the display method. Now the same thing uh, applies for the student 2 also, which implements non-academics. That means we are implementing only methods of non-academic interface in this student 2 class. So this is the parameterized constructor, right? So we are passing the this name and roll number to the superclass constructor, and register club for this non-academics takes number of clubs to be registered, and we use a for loop under that range, and enter club activity 1, and we will take that in input into the club list, where we're taking that input using the scanner object next method, and adding that club name to this club list. That's it about register club and calculate non-academic credit. uh, since the in the question that nothing was mentioned based on this and that, what I have to is just uh, uh, we will print the name, register number, and clubs registered. That's it. That means number of clubs registered, that is under display function. And yes, non-academic credits is for each club we assume that there is a credit of three credits. So club list dot size into 3 multiplied with 3 can be considered as non-academic credits. That's it. And after that, display function just displays the name and register number, clubs registered, if any. That's it about a display function of second student. So we are implementing all these methods using a class interface class below with main function. So here is a menu for the user to choose between academics and non-academics. So if the user presses 1, it has to show the it has to call the create an object for the student 1, or else we will create an object for student 2. Using that object, we have to call this corresponding method, that is subject academic credit calculation, assign faculty, and display method. Same thing applies for this second student also, non-academics part of the student also. Name, register number, we're prompting the user to enter, and assigning that to name string uh, using this next method of scanner object. So enter number of club activities to register for, and after that we are calculating the academic credit based on those club activities. And after once all these operations are done, we are displaying each time for each student. Now we'll run this and check if it's working perfectly or not. If it's working. Just a minute. Yeah. For example, when you press 1, that is for academics, we'll be prompted to enter the name. For example, if the name is Sandy and register number is 1 2 3 4 5 6, number of subjects if it is 2, subject 1 mass subjects, and the faculty name for subject mass, we see A B C. For physics we'll say DEF. And yeah, we can see the display method here: name Sandy, register number, subjects registered, the mass physics, faculty selected mass ABC. For physics it is DEF, and total credits is 6 because there are two subjects registered. That is for academics. Now we'll check for non-academics also. Enter name Sandy, register number 1 2 3 4 5, number of club activities to register for 2. uh, One is hacking club, second one if it is IoT. Yeah, we can see the details: name, register number, club registered, 2 clubs, so 6 credits. I hope the output for this program is correct, and it has been executed successfully. Thank you.